You're the center of my song, yeah. Woke up with a weight on me, questions I can't even name. Hands shaking on the steering wheel, eyes flooding in the early rain. Then a still small warmth inside, soft like Sunday in my chest. Every burden gently slides when I lean into your rest. You are closer than my next breath, nearer than these trembling hands. When I'm falling through my weakness, you still call me child. I stand. Every heartbeat sings your kindness, every tear runs to your grace. You are closer than my next breath, right here in this place. Got scars like little windows, to the nights I almost slipped. Shame tried to write my story till your mercy cut the script. Now my fear turns into worship every time I say your name, 'cause I feel your arms surround me in the middle of my shame. You are closer than my next breath, nearer than these trembling hands. When I'm falling through my weakness, you call me child. I stand. Every heartbeat sings your kindness, every tear runs to your grace. Oh, you are closer than my next breath, right here in this place. Oh, when I run, you're running with me. When I hide, you're hiding too. I can't outrun that faithful mercy. Every road keeps leading to you. So I breathe in holy freedom. I breathe out every fear I carry, till the only thing that's left in me is your name on every breath. Jesus, you are closer than my next breath, nearer than these trembling hands. When I'm falling through my weakness, you still call me child. I stand. Every heartbeat sings your kindness, every tear runs to your grace. You are closer than my next breath, right here